7 Best Pants for Dirt Bike. In this video, we are going to show you the best pants for dirt bike reviews. Product link provides on the description box. Number 1. O'Neill Unisex Adult Element Attack Pant. 4.6 rating out of 5. Fit type, universal fit. Product specification: resistant to wear and tear. Compatible with vehicle type. Includes ratchet closure system. Complaints have been made for the sizing. Versatile graphics match multiple pant designs. Number 2. Klimexi Off-Road Dirt Bike Pants. 5-star rating out of 5. Fit type, universal fit. Product specification: pants fit in all waist sizes. This model is quite expensive to acquire. Klimexi comes with dual waist adjustments. Provide a better grip while moving around. Vent panels to improve the inside ventilation. Number 3. Fox Racing Men's 180 Luxe Motocross Pant. 4.6 rating out of 5. Fit type, universal fit. Product specification: hip pads included. 600D dyed or sublimated poly body. RAP construction improves ergonomic fit. Comes with durable, long-lasting aesthetic. Heat and abrasion resistant leather knee panels. Number 4. Klimexi Dirt Bike Motocross Light Pant. 4.7 rating out of 5. Fit type, universal fit. Product specification: vented TPUs on these. Includes thigh pocket. Moisture wicking mesh liner. Silicone inside waist to keep pants up. Genuine leather legs grip and protection. Number 5. Alpinestars Men's Venturer Off-Road Motocross Pant. 4.5 rating out of 5. Fit type, universal fit. Product specification: airflow circulation. Some complaints on durability. A very good abrasion resistance. Suitable for all weather conditions. Extended stretch on the crotch, knee, and rear yoke. Number 6. Fly Racing Light Hydrogen Pants. 4.5 rating out of 5. Fit type, universal fit. Product specification: lightweight minimalist design. Long-lasting sublimated graphics. Leather heat shield panels with DuPont. 4.8 ounces lighter than last year's pant. Multi-directional stretch rib panels for flexibility. Number 7. Klim Adventure Rally Air Pant Gray. 5-star rating out of 5. Fit type, universal fit. Product specification: simply adjustable boot cuff. Premium leather inner knees. Amazing tear and abrasion resistance. Heavy-duty Kevlar mesh construction. Super fabric sleeves on knees and sleek. Thanks for watching the video. Do subscribe, click the bell icon and share.